Alright, this is gonna be a quick video how to take off the Mach audio speaker tweeter door panel along with the door. So to start with this, you pop this bad boy out and then you just pull it out the rest. Alright, so on this one you just pop it from this side and it comes off, and in here you're gonna have one screw. Alright, once you get the screw out, pull this bad boy out and you can disconnect it. Now that the speaker is gone, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna pop this bad boy up real easy, and in here you're gonna have two screws. One is gonna be here, one is gonna be here, and you're gonna have a rubber grommet on this side. So once you get these out, okay, now that all the screws are off, all you have to do is pop this bad boy up. And just like that. She's out. So to get the cables out of the door, you're gonna have to remove the glove box, and up here you see there's 3 connectors in the back. You gotta disconnect those. 3 or 2. Alright, so you're definitely gonna have to squeeze your hand up there, and you're gonna have to disconnect these 2 connectors. So now that the connectors are off, it's easy to take the door off. We're just gonna remove these 4 screws right here, because the hinges I don't need. I'm gonna remove them later.
So